Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you the secret strategy to make money from your blog from day first. If you don't have Google AdSense approved, it doesn't matter. You can start making money from day first from your blog. So there are some techniques to make money from your blog. The first one is Google AdSense. Like Google AdSense requires a lot of efforts, a lot of time and a lot of traffic from your blog to make some decent amount of money. But the technique I'm going to share in this video is you don't need a lot of traffic, you don't need a lot of effort, you don't need a lot of time. You can just start making money from day first using your blog. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So the simple concept here to make money with your blog from day first is to use affiliate marketing programs on your blog, on your website. So what is affiliate marketing? Like there are hundreds and thousands of online businesses doing business on internet. They are likely selling some products like online tools, like health related products or any other products. So what they will do is, if you as a blogger or me as a YouTuber or any other influencer, what they will do is they will promote their product through their YouTube channel or through their website or through any other kind of social media platforms. So if the product gets some sale through your link or through my link from my video or through your blog article, what the product owner will do is they will give you some commission like 10%, 20%, 30%. So this is simple affiliate marketing. If you get them sale, if you give them sale, they will give you some commission on that sale. So this is some simple affiliate marketing in simple terms. So what you will do is to make money from day first on your website, you will start affiliate marketing on your website. So I will show everything in my upcoming videos in this playlist. I'm going to start a playlist about making money with affiliate marketing from day first from your blog. So I will start a blog, I will create a blog and then I will start uploading products. I will start uploading different products on that blog, and then I will show you all those things, that how you can do search engine optimization, how you can search for products, how you can sign up for different affiliate products, and all those things I will show in my upcoming videos. So this is the real case study that I'm going to show you, that how people are making money with affiliate marketing through their blogs. So let's go to my computer screen, and there I will show you the real case study, that how people are making money. So if I go to my website, and there is a website called NewYorkTimes.com. You might have heard about it. This is the best website news agency, and what I will do is they have a subdomain called Wirecutter. So Wirecutter is basically a store about different affiliate products. Like this is the store, like you can see that there are multiple different niches, like general niches, deals, shopping, gifts, styles, baby and kid tech, and all those things are here. So this is a real case study about affiliate marketing, that how affiliate marketing, how this New York Times is earning money with affiliate marketing using this Wirecutter. So Wirecutter is like a store to New York Times website. Like this is as you can see that the best cheap sunglasses. So if I open this one, and if I go down, like you can see that this is an affiliate product. Like you can see that $16 from Amazon, $13 from Walmart. So if I click here, the link will be redirected. It will redirect me to Amazon. So if I buy from Amazon.com, if I buy this product from Amazon.com, what Amazon will do is Amazon will give a commission to this Wirecutter, to this website owner. So this is how affiliate marketing works. So this is how you need to start making money from your website, from your blog, from day first, without Google AdSense, without any other ad publishers. Okay, so there are kind of thousands of products, thousands of affiliate products here on this website, and they are making a huge amount of money using affiliate marketing, through affiliate marketing with different products. So what I will do is now I will start a product, I will start a website, and I will show everything about all those affiliate marketing techniques in my upcoming videos. In this playlist, I will start a blog first of all, and then I will sign up for different affiliate products, and then I will start uploading those products on my website, and then I will show you how you can promote those products, how you can do search engine optimization and all those things. Meanwhile, I have been uploading different videos about search engine optimization, and my playlist about learning search engine optimization in 30 days is going on. You can just go and watch those videos to better learn search engine optimization before starting affiliate marketing on your website. So this is my secret strategy to use affiliate marketing to promote different products through your blog and to make money from your blog from day first, without AdSense, without anything. So I hope you understood the concept, and I hope you are willing to start different things on your website with me, to start affiliate products, to start affiliate programs on your website with me. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.